Hi, I'm Nikita. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss Chichi-Babin reaction. This reaction is used to synthesize the aminopyridines. This reaction was discovered by Alexei Chichi-Babin. It is known as amination reaction, where the N-heterocyclics, that means the compounds, cyclic compounds which contains the nitrogen as a heteroatom. So these N-heterocycles are treated with the alkali metal amides or liquid ammonia. In presence of liquid ammonia, they can be treated with the they can be converted into the aminopyridines. Here we can say this is a pyridine which is treated with the sodium amide. We can use also the potassium amide, and it is converted into the aminopyridine structure. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So that means here the nucleophile will attack and replace the hydrogen with the NH2 group. So we can see the mechanism where this sodamide is converted into Na plus NH2 negative. This NH2 negative is act as a nucleophile. And in the pyridine, because nitrogen has there's one lone pair, it can take this bond electron pair. So here the positive charge will come and the rotation will takes place from here to here, then it will get went here. And if the bond will goes here, it will goes here. So we can say pyridine can have the positive charges 2 position, 4 position and the 6th position. That means ortho and para positions will have the positive charge. So nucleophile will attack at the ortho or para position. But in the Chichi-Babin reaction, amination will always goes towards the ortho position. We'll always have the 2 aminopyridine in the maximum proportion. If we are having excess of sodamide, then 2 6-diaminopyridines can be formed. Now we'll see the mechanism. If we are treating this pyridine with the sodamide, then this NH2 negative, which is acting as a nucleophile, will attack on the ortho position with respect to the nitrogen. So here at this position it will attack and the bond pair will shift towards the nitrogen. So nitrogen will have a negative charge which is stabilized with the sodium ion, and here we'll have the hydrogen and NH2 group. Again, that nitrogen has the extra negative charge which will goes towards this carbon, and hydrogen will be eliminated to give the aromaticity to the ring. So here we have the aminopyridine and sodium hydride will eliminate. So in the next step, this sodium hydride will take up this hydrogen from the NH2 and it will release in form of hydrogen. It will stabilize by the NH minus and Na positive. So will have this adduct here. So here the hydrogen will eliminate in this reaction step. In the last step, we will protonate this compound and will get the aminopyridines. Except the pyridines, we can use the other nitrogen heterocycles like quinolines can also be used to aminate by this reaction. Here we can see some applications of the Chichi-Babin reaction, where we have taken the heterocycle which contains the 2 nitrogen rings. So it is known as the pyrazine. When we are treating this pyrazine with the sodamide in liquid ammonia, then with respect to any one nitrogen we'll get the substitution reaction. So hydrogen will be replaced by the NH2 group and we'll get the pyrazine 2 amine. Now we can see when we are taking the bicyclic system, it is a naphthalene-like structure which is where the one carbon is substituted with the nitrogen. So it is known as quinoline. This quinoline is treated with the sodamide, and further on the protonation it will convert into the quinoline 2 amine. So here by the Chichi-Babin reaction, this NH2 negative will attack on this carbon and this nitrogen will take up electron. In the next step, the rings again the aromaticity will generate and the hydrogen will remove as a hydride leaving group. So here we'll get the quinoline 2 amine. In next step, the nitrous acid we are treating this quinoline 2 amine with the nitrous acid. So what will happen in presence of nitrous acid, this NH2 is converted into alcohol. This reaction will happen like this. So this H2 will release, this nitrogen will release, and here the OH will come. So it will convert into the quinoline 2-ol. because it's an enol like structure, so it is not stabilized. It will convert into more stabilized form, that is ketone form. So quinoline to one will form, that is also known as the carbostyryl, which is for used to synthesize the natural compounds, drugs, etc. Here's the example of intramolecular Chichi-Babin reaction, where the pyridine is substituted with the ethylamine like group. In presence of a basic medium, this hydrogen will remove and it will convert into the NH negative form. So this NH negative will can attack on this carbon, and it will takes as a bond pair electron. So here this nitrogen is in negative form, and ring cyclization will takes place, because here the one hydrogen is present, which will release, and it will give the bond electrons to this carbon nitrogen bond pair. So here the pi bond will form and aromaticity will generate. So we can say by the intramolecular Chichi-Babin reaction we can synthesize the dihydroindole. In the next step, when pyridine is treated with the sodamide, it can convert into the 2-aminopyridine, and which can further treated with this group having sulfonyl chloride group. So what will happen from here, HCl will eliminate and will get the sulfur drugs, where the this SO2NH group is present in between their two rings. So we can form the different drugs which have the different functional moiety, like CO-amide linkage, sulfonamide linkage, and the Chichi-Babin reaction is useful to aminate the nitrogen heterocyclic in wide variety. Thank you.